What's up, YouTube? Dave the Phone Guy here, back with another video. And today I have something special. Something that I've been waiting a long time for. These are the Google Pixel Buds. I'm pretty excited. This has to be the most excited I've been for a pair of wireless earbuds in a while. So, you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna get this box opened up, go through all the contents. I'm gonna let you know how they sound. We're gonna do a quick mic test with some ambient noise in the background. We're gonna do all the things that we do, you and me. So, without further ado, let's do those things. Bleh! All right, guys, so as you can see on the front of the box, you have the Google logo, Pixel Buds with the earbuds, little picture of the carrying case and the buds. All right, not much on the box itself, so let's get it opened. Pretty excited. I'm excited. I gotta stop for a second to hold it all in. I'm actually more excited for these than I was for the OnePlus 8. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. What? All right, here they are. The egg-shaped case. Let's get this plastic off of it. Ooh. So right away, this feels super premium, has a nice weight to it. Feels like I'm holding like a little pebble or something. Actually, speaking of little pebbles, these are the Vivos. So in comparison, the Vivos are still a bit smaller. They are definitely lighter. The Vivo, it has a different look. It looks ultra premium. It's got this shiny blue color. This is just smooth and feels nice in the hand. So you got your USB Type-C connector. You have a button here. This puts the buds into pairing mode if it is a device other than an Android phone, which I believe with Android 6.0 and newer should all auto connect, which we're gonna find out if the OnePlus 8, which I have right here, will auto connect. So let's see what happens. Open these suckers up. Hello? Are you going to auto connect? Nope. So let's go into our Bluetooth settings, pair new device, see what we find. There are the Pixel Buds. I was hoping we were gonna get that nice pop-up. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. Allow, pair. We're connected. Still no pop-up. That's kind of disappointing. Not sure why that is. Wonder if I gotta open the app. Let's skip through all the settings. Skip, got it, next. It's actually a pretty nice setup process, even though I'm skipping everything. So, before we go to the next step, I already forgot. Let's go a little deeper into the box. Inside the box. Whoa. Inside the box, we got a few extra ear tips, some different sizes. Focus, there we go. And then we have your USB-C to Type-A connector, which is weird because most Pixel cables come as a C to C. So a little bit different. And then you have your user guides and manuals. All right, out of the way. Let's pop one of these suckers in my ears. Let's see, this is the right one. That actually feels kind of nice. So what is it saying? It's saying, get help from your system almost done. Put the ear and set up your personal assistant. Continue. Next. Yes, I want them to read my notifications. Turning on some more settings. Access assistant with voice match. I'm in. Sold. Wow, these are comfortable. I almost don't even feel like it's there. Android Central podcast just started up. I was in the middle of listening to that on the way home. So in the app itself, it's got a bunch of different settings. We have our Google Assistant setting, find device, some touch control options, adaptive sound, in-ear detection, and there's some more settings. Let's go over here. Let's see if there is an update. There are no software updates at this time. So let's go through the settings here. Google Assistant notifications, spoken notifications, allow response while phone is locked. I'm in. Say, hey Google to, when I said it, it's chiming in my ear, cancel. You have the play start sound, and let's go into device settings. Now that we went through that, find device. I don't need to do that because obviously I know where they are. Let's go into the touch controls. Swipe forward is going to increase the volume. Keep starting my podcast, let's stop that. You're gonna swipe back to lower volume, single tap to play or pause, so just one tap. Double tap goes to the next track. Triple tap takes you back a track. While you're getting a call, it's a single tap to answer, and to end or reject a call, it is a double or triple tap. And to hear your assistant, you press and hold. So adaptive sound, so that's supposed to be pretty cool. So if your little hair flying around, if your noise environment changes, what that's supposed to do is increase or decrease the volume. The buds itself have mics connected, so it's always listening to the sound around you to adjust accordingly. So yeah, that's how that works. So we're gonna go ahead and turn that on to optimize volume based on environment. In-ear detection. Earbuds automatically play audio when in and pause when out. I'm in. So let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. So now we're set up. We've gone through the settings. We've done those things. Let's do the next thing. Let's pop the other earbud in. I gotta say, this is super comfortable. Let's do the shake test. They're still in my ear. All is good. Let's start the YouTube 100. Let's crank it. Let's try this. Oh yeah, I like being able to adjust my volume by swiping. The swipe. Here comes the bass. Let's hear it. Come on, don't let me down. Oh, that is satisfying. And just so you guys know, about 2 weeks ago, I posted in the community within my channel the list of songs that I use to test the Bluetooth headsets. These are nice. Let's crank it a little more. There's like 21 different songs that I listen to, that it's all types of music from all different genres to really get a good impression of the sound. So you guys can go check that playlist out if you'd like. So these sound really good. What I would like to do real quick, you know what my go-to headphones have been lately, guys, right? It's the Huawei FreeBuds 3, and I wasn't going to really bring these up, but I would really like to do a side-by-side comparison really quick. I'm dropping everything, just to kind of get a quick idea. That's pretty close. I wonder, can I play both at once? Can't play both at once, but what I can tell you is the bass is definitely heavier on the Google Pixel Buds. It seems that the clarity is slightly better on the FreeBuds 3. I mean, slight, but only because I heard it back to back. I was actually quite happy with what I heard from when I first started to listen to the Google Pixel Buds. So now we're at the next step, and that's the mic test. Are you ready for the mic test? Because I'm ready. And I need to open the voice recording app. All right, so I'm ready. I'm ready for you guys. Are you ready for me? I feel like I keep going a little crazy today. I don't know, I'm losing it. As you can see, I have the voice recorder ready to go. Let's start the recording. This is the sound of my voice with the new Google Pixel Buds Bluetooth headphones. How does my voice sound? Let me know in the comments below, guys. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise. So this is the sound of my voice with ambient noise running in the background. Are you still able to hear my voice clear over the ambient noise? Let me know your thoughts. What do you think? I'm loving them. They feel good in my ears. They sound good in my ears. Hopefully the mic is up to par. All right, guys, so that is all I have for you today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace!